Today we are making shower steamers using essential oils with aromatherapy benefits. This is very practical for those who don't have a bathtub or just prefer to shower. We are using lavender essential oil combined with sweet orange essential oil, not only because the combo is amazing, but because of the relaxing and calming properties of both essential oils, making it an ideal bedtime routine for a deep sleep. It's a very easy recipe that can be done in just a couple of minutes. We will need two main ingredients to carry the essential oils. The first one is baking soda. The rule is to use 2 parts of baking soda to 1 part of citric acid, which is the second ingredient that we will use. These two ingredients, when combined and introduced or in contact with water, will start to dissolve and slowly release the essential oils while you shower and create your own spa at home, so to speak. I have another video here on my channel where I make the very same recipe, but with peppermint essential oil, the more fresh and invigorating version, if you will, for the morning showers or great in case of congestion. You want to give this a good mix. I like to use a fork, but you can also use your hands if you want. It's time to add the colorant if you wish, but this is of course optional. I would like to stay in the theme of the nightly routine and go for a light baby blue. The next step is to add the essential oil of your choice. You will find this recipe down in the description below, along with all ingredients, tools and equipment that I am using or recommending. To make it easier and faster, I'm just going to take my mixer and give it a whisk to ensure everything is nicely and evenly distributed. Now, to determine if the shower steamers are moist enough to hold its shape, you want to grab a bit of mixture and press it in your hands. And if the shape doesn't hold well, you just add a couple of spritzes of witch hazel until you can feel it's holding. Now it's time to pack the molds. I like to place my mold on a tray, especially in this situation, because it will become very messy. And it helps me to keep the mixture within the tray. The most important point is to pack all mold cavities really very well and as much as you can by pressing down the mixture firmly. This way you will be sure that the mixture will hold well and unmold super easily. Now you let it sit for at least 24 hours or even more. And don't try to get it out earlier because they will fall apart. It's also a good idea to have a dehumidifier in your craft room. It's the next day. I think they are super cute and they smell amazing. I will leave them for a couple of days and then package them nicely as part of my special Christmas calendar that I'm preparing for this holiday season. Stay tuned, and if you're interested in other skincare DIY videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!